Welcome back to our follow-up video on plying from a center pull ball of yarn. So I already have this sort of set up ready to go, and I just wanted to offer a few tips and tricks. So first thing, the direction that you're holding your center pull ball, make sure that you're holding it in a way that the yarn easily and accessibly falls off of your cake. So as you can see, I'm holding it horizontally, and I'm going to show you in a moment what happens when you hold it vertically, which is just essentially that it makes it more difficult for the plies to come off of both ends of the ball, and you get a bit stuck like you see here. The next tip I have to offer is simply Plying 101, however, it is worth noting. Whatever direction you spun your singles in, you are going to need to ply them in the opposite direction. If you don't know your Z-twist from your S-twist, that's all right. In layman's terms, it simply means if you spun counterclockwise, you need to ply clockwise and vice versa. There is a technique called opposite plying, and it does result in very unique and interestingly textured yarn. However, if you want a more traditionally finished looking yarn, you do need to make sure that your plying directions are correct. My last tip, which you can see as I'm plying, is to not let the twist actually enter the center pull ball of yarn. This often results in tangles and frustration, especially for beginners. I hope these tips and tricks helped, and if you appreciated this video, follow for more.